Week 1. First grade. I am using the folder method. Everything we will need for the week is in the folder. I have included charts, visuals, flashcards, and materials for each lesson. This drawer is for my first grader. I will separate all the material that we will be using by day for each week. This will be day 1, which will be for Monday. There are some things I will be writing on the board. As you can see, we will start with zoo animals. All the pages from the student workbooks are in the folder as well. Arithmetic 1 charts and games, counting zoo chart 1 and big zoo picture charts 7A, 7B and 7C. Homeschool place value concept cards, 1 to 5. Here it's asking for 10 objects that the student will use to count, and the 5 zoo animals. Day 1 Lesson 1. First grade, Phonics Language Arts. Basic phonics charts. Vowels. Chart 1. Mini alphabet flashcards, E as an elephant. I will be using magnetic letters or felt letters. No reading until Lesson 4. Spelling or poetry. Elephant poem. Handwriting, manuscript or cursive formation flashcards for vowel E and numbers 1, 2 and 3. I have the cards in protective sheets, so that, when they need to trace it, they can use a dry erase marker and then erase it. We have both manuscript and cursive cards for my first grader, so that she can start practicing both writing methods. Manuscript formation, flashcards, 1 to 3. The worksheet that they are supposed to do. On some worksheets the back page is for the next lesson. Homeschool numbers, charts and games. Right left hand, chart 5. Seatwork charts, left right hand, 1N. Manuscript chart 8 and cursive formation guide, page 397 K4 lesson plans. Bible activity and seatwork pages. All the material we will be using for lesson 1 will be in this drawer. It will be a different subject per day for social studies, art and music. Lesson 2. Bible activity. In this lesson student will learn left or right, counting 1 to 30 and counting back 10 to 1, identifying numbers 6 to 10. Student will also be able to complete pattern using shapes or blocks, also to be able to apply the concept of before and after. We will need 6 zoo animals. Worksheet. Place value, concept cards, 1 to 10. Some charts are still in the drawer from previous lesson. Arithmetic 1, charts and games, 1 to 100 counting chart, chart 3. 10 objects for counting. Lesson 2, Phonics Language Arts. Basic phonics, charts 1-2, consonants and vowels. Mini alphabet, flashcards I and U. U is missing. Oh well. Circles for inchworm, raindrops to identify, capital lowercase vowels. Lesson 2, Art. Their art activity is learning primary and secondary colors, using a color wheel that they will be coloring. Lesson 2, Writing. They will be using the formation guide for lowercase I and numbers 3 and 4, adding the worksheet where they will be writing the letter and numbers. I am adding some cursive pages from last year's curriculum that we didn't complete. We did manuscript instead. Same poem from Lesson 1, The Elephant. Day 3, Lesson 3, Arithmetic 1, write numbers 1 and 2. Post-its to cover Numbers on the zoo picture. Worksheet. Objects for counting. Number flashcards, 1 to 10. Social Studies, Lesson 3. They are learning about our country. These are the visuals we are using. Day 3. Lesson 3. Phonics. Mini alphabet cards, A and O. Manuscript or cursive, formation flashcards. My daughter decided that this card needed more red. Identifying vowels, on apples. I made these last year and laminated them. Different objects to identify what vowel you hear in the middle. Spelling and poetry, same poem from previous lessons. Writing, formation cards U and number 5, 6. My child traces the letter with dry erase marker and then completes the worksheet. Day 4. Lesson 4. First we do Bible. Day 4. Lesson 4. Arithmetic. Our objective is to count from 30 to 70, write numbers 3 and 4 and applying the concept of one more in addition. This is the worksheet she will complete. Number flashcards, 11 to 20. Day 4. Lesson 4. Phonics. We are working on identifying consonants and vowels and their sounds. Mini alphabet cards for B, L, and T. Blend letters, B, L, and T. Blend practice cards for B, L, and T. Manuscript or cursive formation cards for B, L, and T. Formation cards for A and numbers 7 and 8. Worksheet for this lesson. Identifying vowels on apples and sticking them on the apple tree. I put a sticker in the back with uppercase and lowercase vowels for child to identify. They also have Velcro dots so they can stick to the laminated card. Introducing the writing tablet. Day 5. Lesson 5. Arithmetic. Recognizing the value of 0, identifying one more or one less, and writing numbers 5 and 0. Need 6 clear containers or bags for counting. We will be using the zoo animals from previous lessons. This is the worksheet we need for this lesson. The items we need here we already have in drawers from previous lesson, so I will not add them. Arithmetic 1-2 concept cards 2 to 6. Day 5. Lesson 5. Phonics. Objectives are to recognize the letters and sounds, and to be able to distinguish the vowel sound in words. Mini alphabet cards, F, M, and R. Blend letters for F, M, and R. Blend practice cards A for F, M, and R. These letters are in the back of the teacher lesson plans. To make CVC words with the blend letters, I will cut and laminate them. They'll last longer. Writing. We will need formation cards for lowercase o and numbers 9 and 10. Worksheet. Here adding the worksheets for phonics. Day 5. Lesson 5. Social Studies. They will learn who Christopher Columbus was and what he did. This is all the materials we will be using for week 1.